ये देखने के लिए इतना अर्जेंट बुलाया मेरे को? Get out! Oh wait, this is your house now.
अबे I'm not saying I'm in love with you यार.
I know.
तो
Well, 1 month back you're in love with Aarti.
आरती was a mistake. पता नहीं क्या सोच रहा था. But this is real.
तूने रास्ता इंडी बोला था.
Last time in the scene नहीं था.
अच्छा. Flashback. And all she said was. And what did you do? You texted her so much that she stopped using her phone. And then what did you do? You went over to her place at midnight and then...
Well, I thought it would be romantic.
Well, it was romantic when she set a dog on you.
Okay, वो छोड़. मेरी भी है ऐसी नहीं है. वो समझती है मुझे.
इस बार कहानी क्या है?
आकाश और आदि का मूवी देखने गया था और उनके साथ उनकी बॉडीगार्ड नम्रता भी थी. ये नम्रता की दोस्त है.
Oh my God! नम्रता जैसी ही होगी.
मेरी नहीं ऐसी नहीं है.
मम्मी के साथ बाल्य का वधू देखना बंद कर. सीरियल कहेगा.
मैं नहीं देखता. Anyway, उसके बाद हम सारे कॉफी पीने गए और मैंने बंदी को क्या हंसाया यार. While we left, उसने कहा, let's hang out more often. And she likes me.
Said that too.
Obvious है ना यार.
Obvious नहीं है.
तब से she's all over my mind. मुगले आजम वाला प्यार यार.
तू मिला कब उससे?
आज. Will you help me?
Hey, this chick Namrata, is she really neurotic?
Oh my God, you are neurotic.
Rubbish! Don't change the topic. I want you to leave immediately and stop talking to me.
Oh, don't worry about that, but why again?
Why? 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 Just because I told you that my parents are out of station doesn't mean I want to, with you.
Why would I want to, with you?
Acha. So you really wanted to come in just to drink water, even though you have a bottle in your car?
If you
And I wouldn't require your help if Akash and Aditya were here. But they don't have the time to hang out with me. It's my birthday tomorrow, and there's no plan for it.
Alright guys, Naveen's birthday is in the next 2 days and we really want to make it memorable this time. Because her parents are not in town. She should be all alone. It has to be awesome. Plus she shouldn't know about this. Okay guys, move, she's coming.
Hey, what's up?
Hey guys, what's up?
Nothing?
Okay. See, this bottle is completely empty. I really wanted the water. You?
Okay, Preeti, so you wanna buy a guitar now?
Yeah, I'm finally convinced, my dad. What do you say?
Yeah, sure, but what happened to your salsa classes?
Oh, yeah, I got a little bored of them. Anyway, ask your brother about the price and let me know. Bye!
Bye. Listen, will you be my partner in Science Fest?
No, because science competition is for geeks.
Didn't you top the science competition in first year?
That was first year. I realized how dumb it was to be a geek like Aparna.
But Aparna Didi was your best friend since school, and I like her.
So you be friends with her? I just needed a discounted guitar. Anyway, what looks better? Purple or black? I'll wear black.
Here she started.
Oh God, again?
Yes, I talked to your doctor.
Okay.
Hey Vicky, what's up?
Nothing much. Just going to meet her friends.
Nice. I can बोलना कोई weather is very soothing.
Thanks, but what about now?
It's good, but blue.
Purple?
Yes, exactly. That's your call. चलो त्योहार.
Well, I guess I better change.
Turns out purple is better.
I'm not moving.
Hey Vicky, doing something?
Yeah, just coffee with friends.
Nice. Yeah, black pen. अगर suit करता है.
Really?
Yeah. Bye.
So seriously tell me, what looks better?
No pain. Just go.
Tell me! God, I'm so desperate for an opinion right now. I can take anybody's opinion, even Hari's.
See, purple with a hint of black will look perfect. But then again, black with a hint of purple will do the trick.
So, what should I do?
Then it's a both.
That looks cheap.
It depends upon the way you carry it. See, it's simple. Take it as a compliment. Purple brings out your eyes, but black brings out your figure. Hey, what's up?
Hi. Hi. I have to go for a movie. By the way, have you met Ankit?
Hey, Dave. Which movie, bro?
That murder mystery. Khuni ka Bhutan.
Hey, awesome. You'll never be able to guess that it is the sister-in-law who Pigeon's costume.
Well, I do now. So I got a rush. Bye, Ankit.
Hey, do you want me to drop you?
No!
Hey, do you want me to drop you?
I'm actually going to meet my aunt in JJ Hospital.
Oh, Chal, that's on the way. Chal. Dave's friend, my friend. बस on the way थोड़ा important काम है.
Not a problem, yaar. 45 minutes तक पहुंचा.
शूलेस 3 मंथ के 10 रुपए लेते हो, 4 मंथ में 5 का मिलता है ना यार? तो वही जाके लेना. यार मेरी बेट लगी. तुझे क्या लगता है 42 इंच की 52 इंच?
Mostly the manager says.
Sit. भाई भाई आ गया. मेरे वॉचमैन नारायण की बीवी का जब ऑपरेशन था, हम इधर ही आए थे. एंड शी इज फाइन नाउ.
Auto.
नो फीलिंग्स फॉर हिज आंट.
Didi, did you top science competition?
Okay, I'm sure that by now Namrata is very murderous.
Bro, you're exaggerating.
Am I?
We gotta make sure this is the best birthday ever.
But why do we do this?
Yeah.
Free food and drinks.
How selfless. Anyways, here's the plan. First,
We make sure that before we go to arrange her place, she shouldn't be there.
Why?
dude, surprise party.
So you guys have a keys?
Yup.
Did your parents give it to you?
No, we stole it.
What? Seriously?
Chill. They are on board with the plan. Although uncle wasn't exactly thrilled.
Okay.
So how will you get out at this late hour?
That is why we require the entire class in the plan.
And what is the plan?
There is no plan. That's why we require you. That is why we need you.
Dude, that's just 3 hours away.
Exactly. They say 2 heads are better than 1. And we have so many here.
So Akash, you and Aditya went pubbing without me. And you got drunk. And now you've got caught by the cops. Good. And you don't have any money. And nor do our other friends. And you want me to come and bribe the cops. And you're sending me a pic. How sweet. Who are you sending? Dave. Preeti. And Hari.
Thanks, you three. You understand, right? We can't go. She's mad at us.
I know, man. You only have to ask. You know we are bros.
And I'm so glad you thought of me. And Namrata's so sweet.
Well, I'm not so sure.
I know, but you have to go.
I just called her. She's coming.
So everyone is cool? Okay.
Light one कर.
Cut. Hey.
Hi. Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
All these losers together. I wanna kill myself. No. Adi and Akash.
So guys, thanks for driving all the way. I mean, these guys got themselves into real trouble. Cops and all, no?
Go to. Cops.
Yeah, those two are quite something. Anyway, let's go before the the pub closes.
Aren't we going to the Jubilee Hills checkpost?
Which is near the pub. Man, you are sleepy.
Preeti, one sec. Be cool.
I am cool. Am I not?
Guys, let's go fast and come back faster. I love my sleep.
One long drive back and forth.
कृष्णा के चेहरे पे कृष्णा
It'll
के चेहरे
definitely take an hour. But it's not like it's planned. Okay.
Well, get in.
Aw, thanks.
Get in front.
I better let Adi and Akash know that we're leaving. But what should I text? We have left. No, that doesn't sound cool. You guys can come over. No, that's geeky. Think innovative. The coast is clear. You receive the message? Received message? LOL. He liked it. Got it.
Preeti, I'm leaving.
I'm so sorry, Dave. I'm just coming.
Just get in.
Have you guys gone to eat shawarma at Ice and Spice at Toli Chowki?
Yeah, I'm kinda hungry now. See that closed coffee shop?
Yeah.
Shall we go now? It's on me.
Guys, you're forgetting Akash and Aditya were with the cops. They must be miserable.
You worry too much. Those two can manage or get things managed.
Dude, why did you take this turn?
Dude, why did you take this turn? पूरा घूम के जाना पड़ेगा.
Oh, I didn't know, man. I'm so sorry.
Dude, you should always keep your Google map open. I do it. You want me to show you?
No thanks, man.
Thought train. What am I doing here? Why am I driving this stupid car? मैं driver बन गया हूँ.
Namrata, which is your favorite car?
Why?
The best kind of cars are the automatic ones. Again, personal opinion.
Dave thought train. मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ की तो बैंड बज चुकी है. मेरी नेहा वहाँ अकेली. डैम, अगर कोई लड़का उस पर ट्राई किया.
ट्राई क्या करना? मुझे तो मिल गई.
क्या?
License, driving license. That's what I'm saying. You don't take tension, Namrata.
I know, Namrata. Cars are so boring.
I love cars.
Okay, so who likes guitar?
Dave's thought train. इस गाड़ी में मैं नहीं बैठ सकता. I need fresh air. Let us pretend that the car breaks down. ओ तेरी.
Oh, done.
Oh, तेरी.
हाँ, वो हो गया.
यार, the car is not restarted.
पीछे.
Make it work. रात बहुत हो गई.
Don't worry, Namrata. I can fix this. Excuse me. What? Just give me a... You're not supposed to do this. Just a minute. Excuse me. Just let me help you, alright? Don't worry. It's in safe hands. Let me try.
Finally. चलो.
You loser. We have to waste time. This is the plan.
The car's not working. Dave Bhai was right.
Perfect. Just what I need.
Come sit here, Namrata. Let's talk.
Listen, Preeti. I'm really worried about my best friends right now. I don't want to talk.
Okay, I know how exactly you feel. I mean, you might think I have no friends in college, but you know, I have a lot of friends outside.
You have Aparna.
Aparna? Who can be friends with that?
She's the brain of our college and she is good.
Oh, that is fine. But can you believe I was as geeky as her once?
I'll tell you something. You're better off there.
Hey Namrata, let's go for a walk. Dave here can push the car by himself. How rude.
Aren't you used to it?
Nobody's ever rude to me. I'm chilled out here. You're kind of short-tempered. See, तेरी driving ही देखो. गाड़ी बंद हो रही है.
हम एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं.
अगर एक्टिंग नहीं कर रहे थे तब ये होता. Take it as an advice, bro. No hard feelings. You know, I don't get involved in other people's business, but I'm always there for help. See, for a guy like you to put off a girl, you at least need GPRS in your phone. And कभी भी, listen, कभी भी बंदी को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए that you don't know directions.
हम एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं ना.
But I see every day, bro, and I think
I don't need you.
See, short temper. Count till 10. Ulta. 10, 9, 8.
It's not happening.
What is wrong with these both?
What is wrong with you?
Excuse me?
Just because you're popular, you think you can comment on me? As if you are perfect, you neurotic Namrata.
Oh, everyone comments on you.
But why? What did I do to everyone?
You became such a wannabe. Look at you. You were so good in first year. You and Aparna were a great team in first year. Always on the top. And you dumped your best friend to become what?
I'm cool now. Aparna is still a geek.
You were cool then. Now you're just a fool.
That was uncalled for, bro.
I'm sorry.
And I don't believe that you could do that to somebody like me. A person who always helps others.
A person who always helps others. What you do is not help. It is help. God, look at this guy. You won't stop talking, right? Cars, GPRS maps, girls. You have an opinion on everything. You're a standing example for an anti-freedom of speech law.
Ankita, andar.
Run when they see you coming. Open your eyes and shut the damn mouth. You're so repelling that even Preeti does not want to hang out with you.
Enough!
What is that supposed to mean? Is it like some national let's insult Preeti day to day? Day to day?
Every day is.
Oh, of course. Now the great Devdas wants to vent out his anger.
Devdas.
Yeah, that's what everyone calls you behind your back. Even me.
Why?
You don't know?
Let me tell you.
No, please let me.
Oh, shut up, you social worker.
Dave, by the time a girl finishes saying hello to you, you fall for her.
And you're heartbroken long before she says bye.
Okay, Namrata. Thank you. So your hobbies are blowing things out of proportion and sarcasm?
Blowing things out of proportion? Hello? Yeah, Adi. We're on our way. What? You want me to go back home? But the car won't start. Unbelievable.
Hey, my help is not help. But maybe.
And I'm cool. Or maybe I was. But I will be.
Sometimes it happens. This time it's real. Right?
Oh, now you want my opinion.
Oh God.
Guys, we all have our tensions. Just be quiet.
Oh, so you have tensions. My parents are out of town. My supposed best friends don't care about me, ignore me, probably laugh behind my back, or have found some other good girls I don't know. And then they drag me out of my house at midnight, sending you three of all the people to let me face a gala time while you guys shout at each other for what?
Let's just go in.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey.
Happy birthday.
Cut the cake.
Come, this is for you.
This for you.
Come. We couldn't afford anything more than this.
Cheapskate.
All these others are not there.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Namrata. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Where's Preeti? I don't know. Preeti, come in. There she is.
Come on, what is this story? Literally.
Than your brother.
You want me there?
Oh, shut up, you social worker.
I don't know what I'm saying though.
I don't want to talk. You're better off then. And you're heartbroken long before she says bye.
I know शादी हो रही है.
Don't tell us. Don't come true.
Yeah. It's okay. I just got forced Firstly, I pray to always be truthful to myself and not please others.
Next time you'll not catch me.
To give me enough patience to find true love someday.
Got it.
To not force myself on people, but be there when they need me. And finally, to not let go of myself and ruin things when they're going to do it.
Okay, got it.